more question I wanted to ask you with the whole controversy surrounding the drug scandal last couple of weeks has turned up regarding Peterson and Alberto, obviously. What do you think about that, first of all? Do you feel that boxing needs to be tighter, controlled in terms of obviously the drugs and the testing, etc.?
I've tried to find out quite a while.
Right.
In boxing, you should have a blood test. If you have a blood test, tell me if you smoke a reefer like a business.
Yes.
They will give everything away.
Yeah.
And the moment it's a urine test, they will do the other blood test.
Right.
It has to be a blood test across the board. That gives it all out. Because at first when I heard this news about Peterson,
right.
I just thought he cheated.
Yeah.
I don't care this guy cheated. Okay. Now I hear the background stuff. You know what? He was ignorant, but no excuse. Ignorance is no excuse for him. So therefore, I think that still doing something he should have done. And it's just sad because it's a great story.
Yeah.
Now, there are fighters that are doing this. And regardless, there are fighters that are cheating and knowing the cheating.
Yeah.
So to separate the men from the guys, make it a blood test. Simple, that's what you've done. You just kick off at Mayweather.
Yeah.
To say you won't fight back unless the blood test.
Yeah.
This is why.
This is why. I agree. I agree.
That's why. And anybody that refuses to take a blood test, you got to think, well, what's
the reason? Do you think ultimately it's the fighter's responsibility? I knew Victor Conte mentioned something about Berto was taking outside supplements or something like that.
You ain't getting testosterone in your system unless you're trying to stick a needle in your ass.
Yeah.
You know, it's not getting. You can't accidentally fall on testosterone. You can't accidentally eat it or drink it. You can't accidentally fall on a needle. It ain't an accident.
Yeah.
So it's that simple. Boxers know. If you're going to go to the doctor, if you're going to take some different, any boxer, and you can't say you're too stupid to know. Any boxer says, you know, I've got to check this myself. I've got a big fight coming.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
There's no excuse. It's that simple.
I was on Vegas, I think 2 weeks ago for the big old Floyd Mayweather fight. Great fight. I wanted to ask you what your thoughts were on that fight. Judges seem to have it a lot wider than what the fight has turned out to be.
I think we've now seen that Mayweather.
Yeah.
He should campaign at his way.
Yeah.
Because he hit Cotto with some tremendous shots.
Okay.
And he had to work for that.
He came in at 147, I understand, the fight night.
Yeah, right. So I think he should get in the way that he's comfortable.
Yeah.
So his power shows, his skill shows.
Yes.
Because if he's still beating up guys that are big enough, he's still moving, and making it look easy.
Yeah.
Right? I understand what he's doing. He's thinking, where else do I go? Something else.
Absolutely.
Don't make a mistake. Don't make a mistake. Roy Jones did. Step up there.
I agree.
Step out of your division, and then when you're trying to squeeze yourself back, that's it.
Great, excellent. Well, thanks a lot for your time. Thanks a lot. It's been really good talking to you.